In today's class, it is chapter number 9, half and quarters. In our previous class, we learned about some word problems. Now see, in today's class also some more word problems are here. So see, first word problem is here. There are 128 mangoes. 1 by 2 means half of them are ripe. Ripe means पके हुए हैं. How many mangoes are ripe? तो कितने मैंगो पके हुए हैं? So this type of word problem is here. So what we have to do whenever you solve this word problem, then first of all we have to understand what is the meaning of this word problem, and then we have to write the steps. So see, there are 128 mangoes. Half of them are ripe. उसमें से क्या है? Half mangoes जो है वो ripe है. Then how many mangoes are ripe? In fraction it is given half are ripe, but actual number here we have to find out how many mangoes are ripe. So see, total mangoes. Total mangoes. How many mangoes are there? It is 128. Now half of them are ripe. So see, number of ripe mango. Ripe mangoes equal to what beta? It is half of 128. So 128 में से half mangoes are ripe. So see, it is half of 128. So you can write here half into 128 by 1. 128 by 1. So see, it is 1 by 2, this is one fraction, and 128 by 1, it is another fraction. Now multiply this two numerator in numerator, it is 1 into 128, and see 2 into 1, it is in denominator 2 ones are. Now 128 into 1, it is 128, same number is here, because whenever you multiply by 1, it will be, product will be remain same. So it is 128, and now 2 ones are 2. Now it is 128 by 2, means here what we have to do, here we have to divide 128 by 2. तो आइए अभी आप डिवाइड करते बेटा. See, it is 128 by 2. By 2, then see, 2 6 are 12, and it is 8, and 2 4s are, it is what? 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So this way, it is 128 by 2 is equal to what beta? It is 64. It is equal to 64. So what are these? 64 are number of, what is this 64? This number is number of mangoes which are ripe. So we can write here, there are 64. There are there are 64 mangoes ripe. That means there are 64 mangoes are ripe there. There are 64 mangoes ripe. Now, how many mangoes are ripe? 64 mangoes are ripe. There are 64 ripe mangoes. Okay. There are 64. There are 64 ripe mangoes. Now come to question number 2. See, there are 64 stars. एक पिक्चर है, एक पिक्चर में 64 stars है. A quarter of them are red. उसमें से जो quarter है बेटा, quarter stars are red. Then how many stars are red? तो what is the quarter of this 64? And then that number of the stars are red. So here we have to find out how many stars are red. So see, total star is equal to 64. Total star कितना है बेटा? 64. Then number of red star is equal to number of red star. कितना star red है बेटा यहाँ पर? See, it is quarter means 1 by 4. And 1 by 4 of this total, it is 1 by 4 of 64. 1 by 4 of 64. So see, it is 1 by 4 into 64 by 1. 64 by 1. Now see, it is once again, it is 1 into 64, and in denominator it is 4 into 1. 4 into 1. 64 into 1, it is 64, and 4 into 1, it is 4. Now 64 divided by 4. See, it is division like this, 64 by 4. 4 ones are 4, then 2. See, it is 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. So see, answer is 16. So what is this 16 beta? 16 is number of stars which are red in color. So we can write here, there are 16 स्टार रे स्टार्स। ओके, देयर आर 16 रे स्टार। तो वहां पर कितने स्टार रेड है बेटा? वहां पर देयर आर 16 रे स्टार। तो ऐसे मिला के वहां पर 16 स्टार जो है वो रेड कलर में है आउट ऑफ 64, बिकॉज 16 इज द क्वार्टर ऑफ दिस 64। आइए अभी अगला क्वेश्चन देखिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, देयर आर 148 स्टूडेंट इन ए क्लास। एक क्लास है, एक क्लास में टोटल स्टूडेंट जो बेटा देयर आर 148। 3/4 मीन 3/4 ऑफ देम आर प्रेजेंट। उसमें से 3/4 जो है दे आर प्रेजेंट हियर। 3/4 नंबर मीन 3/4 ऑफ द 148 आर प्रेजेंट हियर। देन हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर एब्सेंट? तो कितने स्टूडेंट एब्सेंट है? आइए यहां पर देखते हैं। सी टोटल नंबर या टोटल स्टूडेंट्स is equal to 148 is equal to 148। अभी नंबर ऑफ प्रेजेंट, नंबर ऑफ प्रेजेंट स्टूडेंट कितना बेटा यहां पर? इट इज 3/4 ऑफ 148। 3/4 of 148। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस 3/4। आइए 3/4 इंटू इट इज 148/1। तो सी 3 इंटू 148 एंड 4 इंटू 1। 4 इंटू 1। तो आइए इधर देखिए, डिवाइड करके बेटा यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई 148 इंटू 3 कीजिए। सी 3 8 जार 24 कैरी 2, 3 2 जार 12 प्लस 2 14 कैरी 1, 3 1 जार 3 प्लस 4। इट इज 144 and 4 1 जार 4। Now you divide this like this, 4 4 4 by 4। 4 1 जार 4, again see like this, 4 1 जार 4, and now like this it is 4 1 जार 4। So see, this way answer is here 111। So what is this 111? What is this? It is number of students who are present out of 148। 148 में से 111 means 111 are present there। अब the question is here, how many students are absent? Then see number of absent students। Number of absent students equal to total are 148 minus 111 are present। तो see 148 minus आपको यहाँ पर करना पड़ेगा minus 111 तो see 8 minus 1 it is 7, 4 minus 1 it is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0। Answer is 37 students। Answer is here 37 students are what? Absent। Out means this is absent, 3/4 are present and 1/4 that is 37 are absent। Next, see there are 224 fruits in a basket। See this is the one fruit basket, this is one fruit basket, and in this fruit basket some apples are there। 1/4 of them are apple, but some apples are there beta, कुछ apples है like this, 1/4 are apple are there and remaining are oranges। means two types के fruits है वहां पर, एक oranges है, orange and apple। तो some apples are there and some orange are there like this। इस तरह के कुछ orange है और कुछ apple है। तो चलिए what is number of apple? It is 1/4 of the apples। 1/4 of them are apple। टोटल जो fruits है उसका 1/4 apple है and remaining are what are remaining? Remaining are orange। तो see total fruits equal to it is 224। it is total fruits। now number of apple is equal to what? It is 1/4 of 224। 1/4 of 224। so see 1/4 into 2 to 4 by 1। so see 1 into 2 to 4 and 4 into 1। यहां तक समझ में बच्चों? अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप देखिए, इट इज 2 to 4 224 into 1 it is 224 and 4 ones are 4. So see, how this is number of apple. So how many apples are there? 224 by 4. Divide कीजिए. 4 5 are 20. Then see 2 and it is 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. So this way 56 apples are there. It is 56 apples are there, and remaining are what? Remaining are orange. So how many apples and orange are there in the basket? The 56 apples are there. And now see, number of orange is equal to total fruit 224 minus 56 apple. तो अभी आइए इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं बच्चों. It is 224 minus 56. Minus 56. So see, 4 minus 6. So we have to take carry here. It will be 1 and it will be 14. It will be 14. Now 14 minus 6, it is 8. It is 8. Now 1 minus 5 nahi hoga. Again you have to take carry from here. So here will be 11. Here will be 11. Now see, it is 11 minus 5, it is 6. And it is 0 is equal to 68. So what is this? 68 is number of orange. So this way, in today's class, we discuss this 4-word problem and we find out the number of different things as asked in our question. Thank you.